In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a photo paper jam in your Instax Link Wide photo printer. We can see the warning light is flashing here, and also the paper or the photo is stuck. So if we try to pull it out, it won't come. So it's difficult to take it out from this side because it's held tightly. Now the best and easiest way to fix the paper jam in this is, to fix the paper jam you have to switch it off. So press this button and release it. Once the light will go off, now we have to restart it. So press and hold it and just restart it. So it will just make the film out. You can just pull it out with your hand. Now it should be fixed, and now we can start using the printer. So this way we can fix the paper jam. Thanks for watching.